Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike, and we are back to our latest update for this Monday to Wednesday, January 31st to February 2, 2022, and this is our Typhoon 2000 Weather Analysis. And before we proceed, I would like to greet you all a Happy New Year to all, okay? And since tomorrow we are celebrating the Chinese New Year, to start 2022 as the year of the tiger. Let's hope that this year will be a pleasant one, and let's all pray that this COVID-19 pandemic will ease and end. So let's start with our update. Here's the latest graph set beginning today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have a shear line across the Bicol region, although it's not quite strong. This is from the frontal system which traversed northern and central Luzon during the past 48 hours since Saturday, and it's now quickly over the Philippine Sea, as you can see here, to the southeast of Japan. It's moving fast towards the east-northeast. And the shear line is somewhat affecting still the Bicol region, so we expect some isolated rain showers and possible thunderstorms in some selected areas of the Bicol region, while the rest of Luzon, including Batanes, Bubuin-Cove Islands, Mindoro, Romblon, and also Marinduque will be under the influence of the Northeast Monsoon, so we expect winds of 30 to 50 kph along these areas, with dry conditions along the western sections of Ilocos region and western sections of Central Luzon, while over the northernmost part of Cagayan, northern portions of Ilocos Norte, Cagayan Valley facing the Pacific Ocean, up to the eastern sections of northern Quezon, Pulilio Island, there will be cloudy conditions with some showers expected within the wind within this northeast monsoonal flow. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain good, except for some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in some smaller areas of Mindanao. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area. We have here a near equatorial surface trough generating some cloudiness and some thunderstorms over the southern portions of Micronesia near the equator. So this is not expected to become a low pressure area. So it's all clear. Okay. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. If we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. The shear line slowly moving towards the east, but it will remain stationary for the next 2 days, and it could bring more rain across the Bicol region, particularly the eastern sections, while some local thunderstorms will be expected in some portions of Mindanao. And if you take a look at the zoomed-in satellite animation, these are low to mid-level cloudiness, altostratus, with some nimbus stratus expected along the coastal areas of northern and central Luzon because of the northeast monsoon. So we expect this kind of weather, windy with some showers passing by on and off, but these are very low in chances that may bring strong rain or heavy rainfall, while over the Bicol region there are some patches of thunderstorms forming, as well as some portions of western and northern Samar. Now I can see here these are called weather cloudiness moving into the eastern and northern sections of Luzon. These are stratocumulus, signaling the cold weather of the northeast monsoon. We have here elongated thunderstorm across areas of Zamboanga, Sibugay, and the western sections of Lanao provinces, and also affecting portions of Zamboanga Peninsula. And if you take a look at the rain forecast from the European model. This is the latest until Thursday. So by tomorrow afternoon, we could expect some possible cloudiness and showers along the eastern sections of Luzon, particularly the Bicol Region, because of the still effects of the shear line. While over Visayas, there will be some cloudiness as well because of the northeasterly wind flow. While over Mindanao, Davao Region, and Soxigen, there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. On Wednesday, the same weather conditions will be expected across the eastern sections of Central Luzon, Bicol Region, eastern sections of Mindoro, that's Oriental Mindoro, Calapan area, eastern Visayas, and Mindanao, where thunderstorms will be expected. Here over the Bicol Region, it might be the effects still of the Northeast Monsoon, but it will start to weaken, particularly on Thursday. The Northeast Monsoon will shift more from the east, so it will become the warm easterlies, but we expect some isolated thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening, from Central Luzon, Southern Luzon, Mindoro, Visayas, Bicol Region, becoming more intense here across eastern Samar, and also along the eastern sections of Caraga and Soxigen and Zamboanga Peninsula. So these are more localized thunderstorms during this time of the year, since we are still on the La Nina phenomenon. And here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Thursday. So these areas of the eastern sections of Cagayan, eastern sections of northern Quezon, including Purillo, the coastal areas and eastern sections of Camarines Norte, Partido District coastal areas, and the eastern sections of Albay, including Catanduanes, will be under the influence of the shear line or possible fragmented shear line. So expect some rain showers and thunderstorms, not only on the eastern sections of the Bicol Region. It may penetrate the central sections of Bicol Region, including Naga City in Camarines Sur. Okay, and isolated showers will also be expected over Mindoro, Visayas, and also along the eastern sections of Mindanao, northern Caraga region, and also across Davao, eastern sections of Davao region. Okay, and before we leave you is the latest wind forecast from the European model for the next 3 days. By tomorrow, Tuesday, we could expect the Northeast Monsoon starting to weaken, and on Wednesday, the Northeast Monsoon will be becoming a northeasterly southeast wind flow, and on Thursday, the winds will start to shift more from the east, so easterlies will again take over the Northeast Monsoon, affecting Bicol, Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. So far, that will be the forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, and we will return on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Be healthy and strong. Happy Chinese New Year to all. And thank you so much for watching our channel.